Hello, everyone. Okay, so I'm back. We made some progress yesterday, but today um, we're going to, make this a little bit better looking, and then we'll make this on mobile view again. So I did test it, and what happened is it actually would verify a task with just any picture. So I did go for a walk and I verified it with a picture of a hairbrush, so that's not working. So what I'm going to do today is make this look better and then also make sure that it works. So we're gonna go ahead and let's see, instruct it. Okay. Hello. So I tested the functionality of verifying the task, and it verified the task with any picture. So can you make sure that it is verifying the photo? So walking a dog, it should be a picture of being on a walk with a dog, um, because right now a picture of anything will unlock the app. Let's see what it says. Okay. Oh, okay, so let me update the task verification to make it more realistic by implementing an actual image verification check. Currently, the verify task image function is task. It's just a mock that always runs true. I'll modify it to use task verification prompt to check if the image matches the task. Okay, beautiful. So that's what I'm looking for, because otherwise it defeats the whole purpose. I did a progress bar to show the verification process. 1% chance of verification will fail, asking us to provide a better matching photo. Okay, well, we'll take it. Okay. Okay. I'm trying to see if there's a better font as well, because this is okay, but it just still looks very, I would say, old school. I'm not loving it. It doesn't look very well designed. Oh, okay. And then, so the other thing is the welcome screen I didn't like very much. Can you also update the welcome screen, so the introduction, to make that a whole page instead of looking like a pop-up? So make it, beautiful, bold colors, and it is the whole page instead of just looking like a pop-up. And maybe it could be like a typewriter, one word showing up after the other. And yeah, let's update that. Thank you. I need to get better with my prompts, but we'll see. Okay, beautiful. It'll create a full page welcome experience with typewriter effect to replace the current pop-up style introduction. Okay. Let's see, and then the other thing I wanted to do. Okay, well, let's refresh. The other thing I wanted to do is just, I'm not a designer, but this does not look beautiful, if you get what I'm saying. This is just okay, and I don't like that we have the settings on here. I mean, I guess I can select them all. Okay, let's preview this. Oh. Oh, this is from earlier today. Let me reset it because, oh, here we go. No? Reset. Yeah, okay, I don't reset for tomorrow. I still don't really see. Okay, well, can I see it? It says the welcome screen now features a full page design with beautiful gradient backgrounds that change for each step, a typewriter animation for the titles, and a clean modern layout with animated elements. The button appears only after the typewriter effect completes, and the entire experience flows smoothly with fade-in animations and visual indicators. I mean, that sounds great. Okay, desktop. So I see the streak thing here, which is cool, but huh. Okay. Oh, let's go back to the mobile view. Can you show me what the welcome screen looks like, please? I don't know. I'm obviously very new at this. No, I mean, like, how do I see it? Well, okay. Okay, I'm gonna close. And let's refresh this, maybe. I don't know. I am learning. This is my first time using this thing. How do I see it? Okay. Preview? No, I can't preview that. This I can preview, but it's showing all the old stuff. Yeah, I was testing this earlier today. Refresh. Okay. Well, I guess I can test that later. But for now, okay. Let's see. I'm gonna ask it to make the, the title text something maybe a bit more bubbly, and the apps unlocked centered as well, and a more modern design. Let's see. Can you please update the font for the title where it says unlock my morning, and then the morning task as well? Maybe like a more bubbly but bold font, something modern. And then the box where it says apps unlocked. Well, can you first center where it says apps unlocked, and then can you make that whole box and the icons and everything in there a bit more modern looking, right now it looks a little bit too old school. So redesign that to look trendier and more modern, please. Okay. I don't know. I don't have like examples of what I want this to look like. I'm just sort of creating this on a whim. Um, I'll update the fonts and modernize the apps unlock section with a more trendy design. Thank you. Let's see what it looks like. Hmm. Okay, well, and then I think maybe I'll ask it to change this little settings thing to like a hamburger, and then, oh, okay, let's go back. Oh, okay. There we go. This is getting better. Oh, see, but I should have asked it to update these. Okay, beautiful. Can you please also update the boxes for the tasks to match and be more modern um, and contemporary as well? Thank you. Okay. See, now we're getting somewhere. Okay. Well, let's see. It still didn't change the font of this. I think it's still Poppins, but we'll go with it. Oops. Let's see if it'll let me. Oh, green. That green is ugly. Okay. I think I'm gonna make it to where um, it'll only show up here, like the task that you select, maybe, and it'll have you select it on a different page, and then they'll populate here. Oof. Okay, yeah, this green is not cute. Let's see what happens now. Yeah. Maybe. Okay. Well, let's see what happened over here. Okay, update project. Update project. Cool. Let's see. Let's go back. Oh, yikes. This is ugly. Let's not use any yellow. How about that? Update project. Let's see. Unlock all. Okay. Lock all. Okay, well, sure. Okay, I'm going to ask it to, first of all, not use any yellow. I don't like that. Can you update the box that's yellow? Let's not use any yellow. That doesn't really match the color scheme. And then when the apps are unlocked, it shows them green around the purple. That also does not match. So can you update the color scheme to be more complementary? Let's see what happens. Okay, let's see. It's going to update the color scheme of the app lock status component to make it more complementary and replace the yellow coloring with something that better matches the overall design. Okay, well, let's see. Let's preview it. I think here is where we saw it. Okay. Shows the dog. Okay, that's amazing. Well, let's go back here. Oh, it's still yellow. Well, maybe I'll refresh it. And why is that still yellow? Okay. Okay, so those are locked. Maybe I'll look for like a bubbly, bold, modern font. Images. I don't know. Okay, well. So I really don't know how to see the welcome screen. Refresh. How do I reset the whole thing? Reset for tomorrow? Yeah? I don't know. Okay, well, I think... Okay. Can you update the little... the settings, the little cogwheel thing? We have it on there twice, at the top where it says unlock my morning, and at the bottom with the morning task. Can you actually update this to have like a hamburger style menu setting? You can keep the morning task option there, but let's make it to where you click on the hamburger settings, and there you will select the tasks that you want to complete, and when those tasks are selected, they will show up under the main page where it says morning tasks, instead of having them all listed on this main page. And then when none are selected, you can have, a box there that will take you to select them as well. But let's not just have them listed there unless they are selected. That was a lot, but let's see. Let's see what happens. Hamburger style menu for settings and update the task selection functionality. Okay. Well, I'm looking for a cute font style. I think this is Miox. That looks kind of cute. But we'll see. Okay. It's doing its thing, hopefully. Okay. Build unsuccessful. Well, try to fix it. I don't know. I didn't learn how to code because we have AI now. Well, I kind of learned. It was really hard. Um, but okay, let's fix the issue. Okay. That one has two hamburgers. Okay. Now it doesn't let you select the apps. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I can. Okay. What happens if I unselect them all? Okay. Okay. Now there are two hamburger style menus. For the top menu, the one next to Unlock My Morning, can you make that one go back to how it used to be, where it would let you select the apps, turn on and off the apps that you want to unlock? And then also it had that explanation about the app at the bottom. So let's keep that one like that. And then the morning task one, um, okay, let's keep that one for now. I forgot what I was going to ask it. Selected. Okay. Okay, let's see what's happening. Oh, but it's making a hamburger. Task selection apps. Okay. Um, are you able to update the header, like Unlock My Morning, the title, to a bubble typeface? I googled something, so can you make it similar to Miox, Miox bubble typeface, so I can see what it looks like? I let's just see what happens. Okay, let's see what happens. Oh, okay. And then the other thing is I want this to be a hamburger. What is this called? A little tool? I mean, I don't know. That for original menu. We'll move this one to the right. Okay, well, okay, well, I guess we'll leave it like that. It's not at all like Miox. But Cookie Cloud. There's another one I see. Can you also update the menu so you put the little cogwheel thing back, but let's keep it as a hamburger style menu, but on the right hand side instead of that settings looking. I don't like this thing. Even though maybe it's more straightforward, but thank you. That's exactly what I asked for the first time. There we go. Task selection. Okay. Under the morning task, so when there are no tasks selected, can you remove the hamburger menu at the bottom, and can you make it to where that you can tap on the image? There's that round image on there, and that will take you to select the tasks. I don't know. Let's see if that works. Right, because then you have this menu and then this menu. So I think that's too much. Perfect. It lets me empty the task list component to remove the hamburger menu at the bottom of the no task selected section. There you go. That's exactly what I wanted. Okay, I think we're in a good place. So I'm going to test the functionality later, and then we'll see how it works, because I still haven't seen that intro. But thank you all for watching. I'm going to keep at it, and I'm going to add the subscription page as well once I can figure out how to see the welcome. Okay, well, I'll see you again later today or tomorrow. Bye.